Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the HP DesignJet T630 36-inch wireless large format color thermal inkjet plotter printer 2025 edition. This bundle comes with everything you need to get started, including a color and 38 milliliters black ink pack and a matte bond inkjet paper roll. But what really caught my attention is the incredible value this printer offers, from its superior print quality to its enhanced print speed and seamless connectivity. Let's dive into one of the key features that impressed me the most, the superior print quality. With the ability to achieve precise and vibrant output with up to 2400 by 1200 optimized DPI, this printer is perfect for detailed line drawings, presentations, and renderings on various media. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer, the HP DesignJet T630 ensures that your prints are not only visually stunning, but also accurately represent your designs. I've tested it with various types of files, and the results were consistently impressive, with crisp lines, vivid colors, and a level of detail that really brings your work to life. Another feature that's worth highlighting is the enhanced print speed. With the ability to print at speeds of 30 seconds per D-size page and up to 76 D-size prints per hour, this printer is designed to boost productivity for demanding projects. Imagine being able to quickly print out large format documents, posters, or banners without having to wait for what feels like an eternity. This printer's speed and efficiency will save you time and allow you to focus on more important tasks, making it an invaluable asset for any business or professional who needs to produce high-quality prints on a regular basis. The HP DesignJet T630 also offers versatile paper handling, which is a huge plus for anyone who works with different types of media. It supports both sheet and roll feed, with an automatic sheet feeder, media bin, and cutter, accommodating media widths up to 36-inch for diverse printing needs. This means you can print on a wide range of materials, from standard paper to thicker media like cardstock or even fabric. The automatic sheet feeder is especially convenient, as it allows you to load multiple sheets at once and print them out without having to manually feed each one. This feature alone can save you a significant amount of time and hassle, making it a major advantage over other printers on the market. In terms of connectivity, the HP DesignJet T630 has got you covered. With Gigabit Ethernet, high-speed USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi Direct, you can easily integrate this printer into your existing network and print from various devices, including your smartphone or tablet via the HP app. This seamless connectivity makes it easy to share files, collaborate with colleagues, and access your prints from anywhere, at any time. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go, the HP DesignJet T630 is the perfect solution for anyone who needs to print high-quality documents and images quickly and efficiently. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T630 36-inch wireless large format color thermal inkjet plotter printer is an incredible piece of technology that offers superior print quality, enhanced print speed, versatile paper handling, and seamless connectivity. If you're in the market for a reliable and efficient large format printer, I highly recommend checking this one out. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this amazing device. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.